Hello guys, today I'm doing an unboxing on the Hero 10 GoPro. I just received it. I got it, there was a special offer, $200 off when you purchase it through GoPro online and subscribe to the cloud subscription. I think it's a $50 subscription for 1 year. You'll get $200 off. So from $499 I paid $349. $200 off the $500 price, and the $49.99 was for the subscription. So just got it in the mail, and it came with a free SD card, a 32 gig SD card. So this is how it comes. Of course it comes in a cardboard box. I already discarded that, so I'll show you what you get. It's the Hero 10 black edition, I believe. And let me see, let me take this off. So it's a 23 megapixel camera. It has a 5.3K at 60 frames per minute. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters. It has a GP2 processor, and it's a 4.0 hyper smooth stabilization already built into it. Here's what it comes in. It comes in a nice carrying case. On the side here it shows it comes with a camera, a battery, a sticky a pad, and a clip, a little screw on the side, and your USB cable, and your case. In the back shows uploads your footage to the cloud while charging with the GoPro subscription. And let's get to it. I had already opened the bottom of it just to make sure everything's in. So here's a carrying case. It says GoPro on it, pretty nice. Zipper. And here what you get. You got the camera, USB cable. It comes in this nice little plastic recyclable case. As you can see, you could take it out. It shows throw accessories in there if you want. On the back here it shows your what to do, setting up, how to charge it, put in the battery, the power switch on, record. Same thing with this, how to use the flaps, how to mount it on a helmet, just general instructions and some stickers. I think this would be like your owner's manual. It comes in different languages. And let's see what comes in the box. So you got a battery. You got one of your finger clips. You have one mount. It's curved, so maybe you could set it like on a helmet. Your finger tight screw, and the GoPro. It's the 10 black edition. It has a display screen in the front, display screen in the back. Here's your record, take pictures, and it's your power on button. Now I was told these lenses come off. You just twist it counterclockwise and they'll come off. You could buy for some reason, if you damage this lens here, the camera lens, they sell them on GoPro website. They're for 20 bucks, or you could get them cheaper, I guess, online for up to 10 bucks. Not sure, but they do twist stuff. I'm not gonna twist it out just because I have no need to. But here is the built-in flaps. So, and I believe these are also speaker, not speaker, but microphone ons right here and tucked away in here. So that's pretty cool. There you go. You're all set. To put in the battery, you kind of just pull on here. I think the battery goes in here. Yeah, there you go. Pull down. Here's your battery and your charge port, and then that little slot there is for your micro SD card. Let's see. Let's throw the battery in. See if there's any charge in it. I am assuming it just goes this way. There you go. Let's turn this off here. This flap here is removable. You can pull this off just so you could mount other stuff. At the moment here, I'm not gonna take it off. And let's see if this thing powers on. Yeah, it says welcome to GoPro. Shows your languages. Tells you if you legal stuff. If you agree to the GoPro legal, you could turn on your. Let's see if you get this closer. Turn on the tag your footage with location, speed, output, and more. Turn that on and off. Install a GoPro quick app on your phone. Finish setup. Leave the. Okay, so I'd have to do that later. Turn your camera to GoPro quick app. Lets you easily transfer your and share media. Okay. Skip setup. Shows you the date. Set the time, the date. Again, it shows you to go start your skip setup. Yeah. All right. Okay, is that manually? Okay, so it's basically just it wants you to download the app and just go from there. I guess you could update it and set your settings. But again, here we go. We got out of the setup screen, and it shows the battery indicator, standard 4K. I guess you could change wide angle, narrow, liner, wide, yeah, or super view, yeah. So I guess those are your settings. Shows to zoom in, has zoom. I don't know what this is here, but I guess it's for. I'm thinking it's for a stabilizer. I guess built-in stabilization. So I think that's what it is. Normal speed, slow-mo, extra slow. No, yeah. So it has normal speeds, 30 frames per second, 24 frames per second, and then it goes into slow-mo, 60 frames per second, up to 120 frames per second. So yeah, there's a lot of settings on here you could do. Let's see here, what else do we got here? You got photos, time lapse, video. So yeah, it's pretty obviously, as you can see, I'm recording on my Hero 3 Plus, so definitely a jump from going from Hero 3 to 10 Black. So yeah, pretty much this is the unboxing of it, of the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Again, if you guys are looking for a GoPro camera, I suggest you guys jump on the website. They have a nice offer, a cool deal right now where you get $200 off this camera here. And normally it's $499. You'll get it for $299, and then you gotta subscribe for the subscription. The 1 year subscription is $499, so you'll get it for $349 plus tax. And they offer a 2-day air shipping, so you can't beat it, And that comes with this nice carrying case. You know, you could either toss this and just throw all your equipment in there, all your accessories, or you could just keep the case. Keeps everything nice and bundled. Throw everything back in its place. You're good to go. Protects the camera, whatnot. And there you go. Keeps it nice and tight. And again, you get the free memory card with it. So again, it's a pretty good offer. You don't want to miss out on it. But get yourself one. Thank you. Thanks for watching.